We have a little acorn woodpecker up in the bare top tree that's in front of the last bird branch. He's right in the crook of the tree where we can't see all of his body, but we see part of him. He's preening at this time. Maybe a partner will come join him. Oh, there it goes. That's better. Much better. The sun's not out yet. We're having our overcast morning. Very typical this time of the year. And he's up there. Okay, we have Speedy down. He's going to take all three. Okay, you got him. And dry meal. We're at Fluffy's on this overcast morning. Treats are down. Have not seen Tabby, have not seen Lucifer. Her water dish needed to be rinsed out before I filled it up. And the wild turkeys, two of them, the mature adult male and immature male, are over at the distant hillside behind the church that's next door to Alvisa Adobe Park. We have two of the Steller jays here this morning. I got Fluffy's and she's here. She didn't eat all her treats from earlier. There you go, there's more. Speedy's down. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have April at the freeze-dried non-live worms. And Speedy took all of the live.